Greetings Google Academy UK, and in this one we're doing lesson 7 and we're getting this to HTTPS. This is a really easy one to do, and if you're just following straight through, you've got FileZilla straight open. Let's just grab that a moment. Right, so we've got FileZilla. So what we're looking for now, because in the last lesson we set htdocs to be sudo chmod 777 if you remember. If you've not, you may have to do this now if you skip the verification that way. Because when you then go to do this, let's have a look. Actually, I'm going to have to check my downloads to make sure I ain't got a wp-config in there, because that then can name it and start going all wrong. So I'm just checking on the other screen. Config. Let's have a look. We got it. It's looking good. Right, it's not looking like we have, so now I'm going to download this. Well, view edit, and then it'll download it. Watch. View edit. Docs, right, denied. So what we have to actually do now is, again, it's looking like we're going to have to sudo chmod all the way down to that one file, which what we've got there, look. If we copy this bit here, as soon as you let off it copies. Put this here, and then at the end of that we're going to want to put wp-config.php. Let's have a sudo chmod open army, that's WordPress wp. Yeah. Right, then we're going to want to again restart Apache. Where's that one? There we go. Restart Apache. Let that do its thing. Then we're going to want to do a fresh connection. Right, that's that. I'll just minimize that for now. Fresh connection back to FileZilla, and then we're going to do a quick connect. Let's say OK. Remember that's changed, so probably should have copied that, but it takes a bit of a moment. Oops. Then Vietnam /apps/ WordPress /htdocs. Just check that. Oops, Vietnam apps here. Right, and again, wp-config. Hopefully it's not going to be awkward now. There we go, it's opened up. Right, so there's some page arranging here. We'll just go find it first, what we're looking for. So if you scroll down, and then you're going to find this here, look. See this? And then let me just bring this over a moment. That's not gone very well for us, has it? Let's move this over here a moment. And then down. Scroll. Step 4, I think, is it? Yeah, so as you can see here, look, as we've got this open, you don't need any bigger. Looking for this change yours here. So we're looking for this, which, as I've just said, is here. Yeah, and then we're going to copy this in here. Now bear in mind to put the correct domain name in. Like when I change this in a moment, I am going to obviously change the domain name to be compliance pod, and just be sure as well that you've got the S in the HTTP or it's not going to work. Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to call FileZilla back up to show what's going to happen. FileZilla is going to ask us something in a moment. We may have to give focus back to it. So with this, we're going to put file, save. Click on it. We get focus, and it's saying a file previously opened has changed. It's just asking if you want to upload it again. You put yes, finishing editing, and delete local files. If you have to do that again next time you download this, you can end up with wp-config brackets 1 brackets, and it's not good. So we do that, and then what we should be able to do is, I wonder if just do we have to restart Apache? Let's see. So we're going to the back again, general settings, and we're just going to refresh and see if it's just taken effect. This page isn't working. Amazing. Well, you don't see that every day, do you? That's actually the first time I've seen that. So one moment. Restart Apache, I reckon. I reckon I should restart Apache and see what happens there. So Restart patch, and if not, that's gone really like bonkers for no reason, because it never works like that. See if it'll restart. Restopped. So I started. Do we have a website, or is it gone into the Nefer region and I've killed it? This page isn't working. Well, that's just amazing, look. Totes amaze. Right, so what I've done to get back to where we are, look, is I have basically changed this back. Discard local file and open. Right, so we're now back here for me, look, which we shouldn't have to be. To have, for this not to have worked, it's the first time on about 100 occurrences of me doing this. I'm not kidding, I've done this so many times now that I'm more peculiar than anything else as to why it's missed it like that, why it didn't work. It's like it's bonkers. They said something else then, but fill in the gap. So we'll try it again because, you know, I found I can rescue it like this. Or should I tell you what? I'll put attempting fate and saying it'll just come back a second time. This is how you do a snapshot, look. If I've not shown you one yet. Wait. Not maybe because look, it's showing. Create a snapshot just based on this one in Google Academy UK. It's the same project, so is it? Hang on a moment, just want to look at something. See, these look are all my backups for my main site. So now, even though I've created a sub-site, if you like, under a subdomain, it still seems to be taking this on board. So let's have a look. A moment. Right, so June 5th, June 7th, 11:56. Background image, and that's 152 megabytes, and then between that 46. They're creating a snapshot of both the M's, or what? This, I don't know, so what we're going to do anyway is we're going to just put before HTTPS, and then what you can do here, oh yeah, so we're going to do this one, that's the difference, dummy, right, you can set them up to go wherever, so this one, this is where I'm getting my static IP address, I believe, from the Netherlands for, which when I get in showing you my billing, you can see where I get billed for different elements of the build in different places, like so that Europe. I've been getting billed for a static IP address and a PSD storage bucket, which again measured in the pennies. I mean, not even a pound. I think I mentioned earlier, you know, this website, all three of them, well, it cost me like, Google Academy is costing us about 10 to 12 pence a day to have everything. So we'll wait for that snapshot to occur, and then, see, we're on 8 minutes, so let's try and keep these things as brisk as possible. Come on, snapshot. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Put that up there, get ready to view, edit, as soon as we've got that captured. And you'll see a different name here, watch. It'll be a compliance VM, or whatever we've called it. Compliance. Sometimes today, buddy, but there's quite a bit to back up. Seeing here. Again, I've explained those. So settings, general, make sure we're still working, not crashing. Yeah, so this is what we're hoping to change. But I'm just not getting why it didn't change. Maybe I have to do it in the main one, rather than this, going to FTP of the main Google Academy, and then set it in that wp-config. But that seems a bit no. Right, let's see what we've got open here. I've got discard that. Right, so now I'm gonna view edit again. You'll not be having this problem if you're not doing a subdomain and that by now. This will have all worked for you and you can have gone off and left me alone, but if there's other people that do have this problem, and you know, to be fair, we all suffer setbacks in IT. If you think all these people on YouTube and doing WordPress, everything just goes squeaky clean for them, think again. Major crashes, major conflicts, and this is why we do a good backup policy. Right, so let's get to that again. Let's just puzzled with that. I'm going to double check my code against my actual lesson, against my ebook. Right, let's try again, and let's notice if there's anything different. HTTPS, yep, define home, define that. That all looks good. Whether it actually works, all good. Again, it's going to be interesting to see. Right, I'm again getting the message from FileZilla. Sorry, it's popped up on the other screen. I can't move it. Right, get a shot of that. Right, what about we log out and in and see if it dies on us again? Yeah, oh no, you're attempting to log out. Right, log in. Right, that's works there anyway. And it's worked, yeah. So last time, I don't know, maybe I missed a colon, or anyone who works in code, you know, you miss a colon, you miss a full stop, it's dead. So we'll just prove this point again, sorry, otherwise I'll be rambling off. The original test which showed us a mixed media lost. I'll put a smiley, well, I put that up last time, so it could be, you know, it's conflicting. It's not, it's a totally different image, watch. Look, straight away we notice it's padlocks there. Look at the URL, we can see that's there. Now the next thing to do is increase the memory. But because this has gone on for 11 minutes, I don't want to drain you. So in the next video, we're going to be increasing the memory and the max upload size. Otherwise, you could run into problems when uploading your 40 megabytes. Well, if you've got a theme that's 45 megabytes, it'll crash. So you need to upload these things. And again, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them and I'll happily answer them. And stay safe. Regards from Ramsgate, United Kingdom. Bye.